Very good. Very good. Now see, uh, I welcome you all and good morning to all of you. Okay, today also we are going to continue our revision. So we have started already religious trends in ancient India. Okay, so what is the birth name of Gautam Buddha? Who can tell me? Birth name. Birth name of Gautam Buddha. Shut up. We are talking about Gautam Buddha. Shut up. I am not asking the birthplace. I am asking the birth name. Yes. Siddharth that was. What is that? Siddharth. Okay. Hello. Siddharth was the birth name of Gautam Buddha. Okay. Ready? Can you hear me? Then the father's name of Vardhaman Mahavir was also Siddharth. See. Okay, understand, boys? Don't confuse yourself. There is a similarity, see, between Gautam Buddha and Vardhaman Mahavir. Both gave importance to non-violence, and the birthplace of Gautam Buddha was Siddharth, और महावीर के फादर जो थे उनका भी नाम सिद्धार्थ था. ओके, डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड? झांझुर ने, डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड? Now tell me, what was the mother's name of Mahavir? It was the father's name. Then what was the mother's name? Mother's name. Very good. Trishala. What is that? Trishala. Okay, okay. Then what was the mother's name of Gautam Buddha? Hello. Mother's yes, mother of Gautam Buddha, Maya Devi. Very good. Maya Devi. Then what was the father's name of Gautam Buddha then? Shuddhodhan. What is that? Shuddhodhan. Okay. Shuddhodhan. Okay. So that was the father's name of Gautam Buddha. Don't confuse yourself. Okay. Gautam Buddha. Okay. So the father's name of Mahavir was Siddharth and Gautam Buddha's birthplace was Siddharth. Mother's name was Trishala. But whose mother? Mahavir's mother. Okay. And the mother's name of Gautam Buddha, that was Mayavati. And Shuddhodhan was the father of Gautam Buddha. Okay, did you understand? Okay, did you understand? Can we go further? Can we go further? Hello, are you going to understand? Oh, okay, yes. Shut up, don't ask me such a silly question. First of all, get to know detail about that, okay? Okay, Shardul. Gautam Buddha, see, in that time, there were not countries like this, okay? The separation separation or the borderlands were different. Nepal was a part of India also, okay? Now Nepal is a separate, okay? So Gautam Buddha preached in India he was from India. Okay, but he took a birth over there in Lumbini, but he was an Indian. Okay, so Gautam Buddha preached for how many years? Sorry, महावीर कितने साल उन्होंने लोगों को ज्ञान दिया? हाउ मेनी ईयर्स ही टीच? ही टॉट 30 years. And Gautam Buddha 45 years. 45 years. Okay. Then okay. So which language was used by Mahavir? Can you tell me? No, not Pali. Which language? Which language? Ardha Magadhi. What is that? Magadhi, not Magadhi. Okay. Ardha Magadhi language. Okay. And Gautam Buddha also taught his teaching of Bauddha religion in which language? Pali language. Okay. Pali language. Okay. A. So these were actually the regional languages. Okay. These were actually the regional languages. These languages were the languages of the common people. Okay. Now see. Okay. So Sanskrit was not used by both of them. You understand? दोनों ने भी संस्कृत का उपयोग नहीं किया. ओके बॉयज, डू यू अंडरस्टैंड? दोनों ने भी, महावीर ने भी और गौतम बुद्ध ने, दोनों ने भी क्या किया कि संस्कृत का उपयोग नहीं किया. नो डाउट संस्कृत वॉज लिटिल बिट देयर, बट whatever was the teaching of Gautam Buddha and Mahavir, that was taught in both these languages. Okay, let us go further. So 5 great woes of Gautam Buddha. Can you tell me which was the first 5 Arya Satyas? 5 great woes of. Just tell me about. First of all, about Mahavir you are telling me. Mahavir. We are talking about. Yes, listen. First of all, listen yaar. Listen first of all what I am asking. Why are you unnecessarily talking? First of all, listen my question very clearly. We are talking about the five great woes. Okay, 5 great principles of Mahavir. What are these principles? First, that is, tell me what is that? Shut up. You are mixing the points. What is that? Gautam Buddha is a different and Mahavir is a different. Okay. So first principle, that was ahimsa. What is that? Ahimsa. What do we call that in English? Non-violence. Very good. Non-violence. Okay. Then second principle, what was that? Don't look into the book. Harsh, you are looking into the book and giving me answer. That is not fair. The second principle was Satya. What is that? Satya means truth. Okay. Okay. And third, that was Asteya. What is that? अस्तेय का मतलब है, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ नॉन स्टीलिंग? व्हाट इज दैट? तो ये बात भगवान बुद्ध ने भी बताई और महावीर ने भी बताई. व्हाट इज दैट? नॉन स्टीलिंग मीन्स Do not steal others' things. Okay. Okay. And fourth, that was aparigraha. What is that? So here aparigraha. Okay. It means non-attachment. What is that? Hey, listen, boys. We all have mobiles. Am I right? हम सबके पास मोबाइल है. तो when the mobile is going to loss, when we are losing the mobile, जब मोबाइल गुम होता है, ओके, तो बुरा लगता है ना हमें. और मोबाइल क्या जिंदगी भर हमें साथ देता है क्या? हाँ, मोबाइल. तो इसका मतलब है when mobile is falling, soon listen, when mobile is falling down, we feel sorry. हमें बुरा लगता है. तो कुछ लोग उसी कारण बच्चों को बहुत मारपीट करते हैं. सो माय पॉइंट इज, ये मोबाइल जैसे बातें जो है, टीवी है, जो भी है, उससे अटैचमेंट ज़्यादा नहीं होनी चाहिए. उससे अगर वो गुम हो जाती है तो हमें दुख पहुंचाता है. तो ये संसार में बहुत से चीज़ें हैं, अगर वो अपन को छोड़ के जाती है तो दुख नहीं करना है. ओके, डोंट फील सॉरी फॉर देयर लॉस. ओके, अटैचमेंट नहीं रखनी है ना. कुछ लोग इतने अटैचमेंट रखते हैं, उनके पास करोड़ों रुपए होते हैं. ओके, दे आर हैविंग लॉट ऑफ रुपीज, बट दे आर नॉट गिविंग अ सिंगल रुपी टू एनीबडी. एक रुपया दूसरे को देते नहीं. तो ये अटैचमेंट जो है, संपत्ति के प्रभाव में आना है ना, ये बुरा ख्याल है, बुरी बात है. ओके, डू यू अंडरस्टैंड? एंड ब्रह्मचर्य, व्हाट इज दैट? व्हाट मीन बाय ब्रह्मचर्य? ब्रह्मचर्य का मतलब, लिसन, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ ब्रह्मचर्य? The meaning of brahmacharya is, what is that? Chastity. What is that? इसका मतलब क्या है? लिविंग बॉडीली प्लेजर्स, मतलब शरीर को सुख देने वाले बातें जो है, चीजें जो है, उनसे दूर रहना. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, देर आर व्हाट इज दैट? एयर कंडीशन में हम लोग रहते हैं, सो वी फील व्हाट इज दैट? कंफर्टेबल. एम आई राइट? अरे होता है ना. तो क्या एक फार्मर समझो कि काम कर रहा है खेती में, तो वो क्या एयर कंडीशन लेके जाएगा, एसी साथ में? तो जो आदमी एसी में रहता है, जो आदमी एयर कंडीशन में रहता है, ही इज नॉट रेडी टू वर्क in the field. Okay, because there is a extreme heat in the field. Okay, तो ये जो हैबिट्स है, these are the habits that we are developing. These are the we are developing for bodily pleasure. शरीर को सुख पाने के लिए we are doing all that. Okay, and we should stay away from all these. Okay, that is called as a brahmacharya. Means we should not involve into bodily pleasure, and we should follow these 5 principles. Once again, see, these are the 5 great principles by Mahavir, not by Gautam Buddha. Ahimsa, Satya, Asteya, Aparigraha and Brahmacharya. Okay, you should know the meaning of these 2 things, last 2, Aparigraha and what is that? Just a minute, boys. I'm taking a screenshot. Just a minute. Ready? सो अपरिग्रह का मतलब है नॉन अटैचमेंट, किसी भी चीज से डोंट कीप योर सेल्फ अटैच. ओके, नाउ लेट अस गो टुवर्ड्स अनदर सब्जेक्ट. ओके, now where was the birthplace of Gautam Buddha? Where was he born? Very good, Lumbini. The Lumbini comes into Nepal. Okay. Now tell me, what was the father's name of Gautam Buddha? Shuddhodhan. What is that? Mother's name was? What was the mother's name? Maya Devi. Very good. Okay. What was the birth name of Gautam Buddha? Very good. Very good. Then, why do people call him Gautam Buddha? Why do people call him Buddha? करना तो because he became known as a Buddha because he has attained the knowledge, highest knowledge. Okay, knowledge of human life in entire human life. इंसान के जीवन के सब जो बातें हैं उसका ज्ञान उन्होंने पा लिया था, उसको इनलाइटमेंट बोलते हैं. व्हाट डू वी कॉल दैट? इनलाइटनमेंट. ओके, गौतम बुद्धा वॉज अ मैन ऑफ इनलाइटनमेंट. लाइट मतलब प्रदीप्त होना, प्रकाशमान होना, बुद्धिमान होना. ओके, सो एनलाइटन मीन्स बुद्धि प्राप्त करना. And Gautam Buddha attained the knowledge in its entirety. Entire knowledge was acquired, achieved by Gautam Buddha. Okay, so that's why he is popularly known as a man of enlightenment. हम लोग उसको मराठी में निर्वाण बोलते हैं. सॉरी, दैट इज पाली वर्ड, निर्वाण है ना. नाउ सी, what is known as a Buddha Gaya? Can you tell me? What do we call as a Buddha Gaya? Which place? Which place is known as a Buddha Gaya?
B.
Uruvel. What is that?
Ite.
Guru nahi, Uruvel. That is Uruvel, not Guruvel. Okay, not Guruvel.
R. For computer.
Okay, Buddha Gaya. Then what is known as a Bodhi Ruksha? People tree. Very good. क्या वो पीपल ट्री के नीचे बैठा इसलिए उसको ज्ञान प्राप्त हो गया क्या? He was doing a meditation over there, and because of meditation his brain he started thinking over deeply. Okay, and he come up with the solution of that. Okay, now see, in which state the Uruvel comes over there? Can you tell me? No, Uruvel. It comes into Bihar. Which state? Bihar. Okay, Uruvel, the place which is known as a Buddha Gaya, that comes into the state of Bihar. But that city is a Gaya. What is that? We are talking about Uruvel, but that Uruvel comes into the city of Gaya, and Gaya comes into the स्टेट ऑफ बिहार. ओके, समझ रहा है? हेलो. ओके. So what is known as enlightenment? Highest knowledge. What is that? Oh, very good. Very good. That is the perfect. Yes. Yes. आ जाएगा. Don't worry. Okay, boys. I'll be having the last period also. Okay, after this period, another period will be there, and my period will be starting at 12:30 also. Again. But I'll be teaching you the history. Okay, it is geography period. But geography we have revised, so we are going to revise another lesson. Okay. Ready? Okay. Now see, where did he delivered first sermon? First lecture. Gautam Buddha delivered first lecture. Where did he deliver? At Sarnath. What is that? Sarnath. Sarnath. Okay. Sarnath is a place. Okay. Then Sarnath comes into, what is that? Varanasi. Okay. Varanasi. Okay. Find out into the map where does it come and get the extra information. Okay. So his first sermon is known as a धम्म. क्या बोलते थे उसके पहला लेक्चर था ना, उसको धम्म बोलते थे. क्या बोलते थे? दैट वाज नोन एज अ धम्म. सो क्या इसमें भगवान होता है? अरे आई यस्टरडे आई टोल्ड यू द डिफरेंस बिटवीन धम्मा एंड धर्मा, है ना. सो इज देयर एग्जिस्टेंस ऑफ धम्मा धर्मा? हेलो. नो. देन वेयर इज द एग्जिस्टेंस ऑफ गॉड? धर्म में होता है. क्या होता है? ये हिंदू धर्म में बहुत से देवता है ना. और गौतम बुद्ध के धर्म में एक भी देव नहीं है, भगवान नहीं है. महावीर के धर्म में एक भी भगवान नहीं है. ओके. महावीर भगवान को नहीं मानते थे, गौतम बुद्ध भी भगवान को नहीं मानते थे. सो फॉर बोथ ऑफ देम ह्यूमन बीइंग was itself an embodiment of the God. Okay. हेलो. अरे भगवान है ही नहीं. भगवान के रूप में इंसान तो होते हैं. ओके. लेकिन आज तक कोई भी आदमी भगवान को ढूंढ नहीं पाया. भगवान के बारे में बोलता आया, बट ही वॉज नॉट एबल टू सक्सेसफुल टू फाइंड आउट द गॉड, एनी गॉड और गॉडेस. ओके. सो there are two words. Okay. One is a Pali word and another that is in Sanskrit. Okay. So Gautam Buddha set in motion the, what is that? The wheel of Dhamma. इसका मतलब है गौतम बुद्धा walked over what is that? All over India. पूरे भारत में घूमे वो और उन्होंने धर्म का ज्ञान दिया. ओके. ही डिलीवर्ड हिज टीचिंग ऑफ बौद्ध रिलीजन, and for that he has to move from one place to another. So he set in motion means he walked all over India. So that is called as the धम्म चक्र बोलते हैं. क्या बोलते हैं उसको? धम्म चक्र. ओके. So धम्म चक्र प्रवर्तन, that is the Pali word. Okay. And धम्म चक्र प्रवर्तन, ये प्रवर्तन is a Sanskrit word. Okay. प्रवर्तन. And here it is प्रवर्तन. R is not there. Okay. It is written like this. Okay. प्रवर्तन. So it's a Pali word and it's a Sanskrit word. Okay. Okay. And he walked all over India, not for 1 year, not for 2 years. He spent 45 years. He spent for his, what is that? For teaching his religion to all the people in India. Okay. Now, if you look at China, if you look at Nepal, if you look at Sri Lanka, if you look at Japan, these all countries are the Buddhist countries. Okay. Hello. Hello. Hmm. These all countries are Buddhist countries. Okay.